The quiet hum of urban life seeped through the narrow alleyway, an unexpected backdrop to the serene oasis tucked behind. The Henri II House, a testament to the harmonious blend of past and present, stood as a testament to the vision of its owners and the architectural prowess of Murray Legge. Inside, the home was a symphony of exposed systems and functional beauty. The double with CMU walls provided a solid foundation, while the steel and Douglas fir frame offered a sense of lightness and airiness. The exposed plumbing, mechanical, and electrical components were not merely utilitarian. They were an integral part of the design, celebrating the building's honest construction. The original 1940s cottage, a relic of a bygone era, remained untouched, its charming facade greeting visitors with a warm welcome. However, it was the new structure, a contemporary masterpiece, that truly captured the essence of urban living. Its concrete masonry unit walls, robust and raw, mirrored the industrial character of the alleyway. The front entrance, a bold statement, opened directly onto this bustling thoroughfare, inviting the city in. The heart of the home was undoubtedly the library, a two-story space lined with bookshelves that housed a vast collection of art and architectural treasures. The open living space and kitchen flowed seamlessly into this haven of knowledge, creating a dynamic and inspiring environment. Upstairs, the lofted primary suite offered a private retreat, overlooking the bustling alleyway below. The small utility wing, discreetly tucked away, provided essential amenities without compromising the home's overall aesthetic. That's it for this video. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next one.